With a substantial client list across the East Midlands, we are William Hercock, the name to trust for all your building, timber and landscaping requirements. Our company is steeped in local history, with the Hercock family having supplied products and services for a period which has spanned 3 centuries. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or buying on behalf of a national company, you get the same kind of attentive service, high-quality products, and outstanding value for money. Our product range is sourced from the country's leading suppliers, and with our connections and buying skills combined, we're able to offer the very best at the most competitive prices. With depots in Oakham, Birstall and Melton Mowbray, we have the county well and truly covered, able to deliver to you in the fastest possible time. And in the unlikely event that we don't have what you need in stock, we should be able to source it for you and get it to you fast. So for building materials, garden and landscaping, timber and joinery, civils and drainage, tools, workwear, ironmongery, decorating materials, and so much more, it has to be William Hercock.